talking and dissing, don't care about the bitches. I had a dream of those Beamers, those sixes. Give me 3 months and I swear I'ma get it. Oh, big money, meet it quick, you know we ball out. We do all the shit that you just talk about. I left my ex nigga in the doghouse. 2 phones, I ignore all of his calls now, cause I'm up now.
What's up, YouTube? It's Kennedy Ray. Welcome back to my channel. You guys might notice I have a brand new intro. That intro was made by this really freaking amazing editor. You guys need to check her out. If you are about to do YouTube, her name is yours truly, Janae. I'm going to pin her YouTube channel and her Instagram stuff in the comments below so you guys can go check her out. But yeah, she's freaking amazing, and that's who made my intro, you guys, so go check her out. So you guys have been asking me to do more hair videos on my channel, so I finally am. You guys already know how I feel about straight hair. I always feel like I'm not myself with straight hair. I feel weird, but I don't know, I'm kind of feeling this straight hair for some reason, because y'all, this is some really good straight hair. Like, so this video today is sponsored by DYHAIR777, but I really do love this company, you guys. I really want to talk about kind of experience that I've had with this company in the past and so far, just because I feel like it's needed. So back when I was in like middle school and high school and stuff, and I used to wear weave and sew-ins, I used to have to beg my mom to buy me hair, and it was always so expensive and she'd have to save up. But long story short, I used to, like, my mom used to like spend her hard-earned money on hair. So back when I was in high school, I remember seeing this bomb company on YouTube, and I was like, who is this company? And I watched all these reviews on them, and basically it was DYHAIR777, and I remember begging my mom for months to buy me hair from this company because I thought it was so bomb. And I remember she did. It was like my junior year of high school, and it was the best hair ever. Like, I remember that like it was yesterday because I was so happy that my mom bought it for me. So the fact that just a few years later I'm now sponsored by the same company, I think it is such a blessing, and it's crazy how far that I've come. And yeah, I just want to share that little story with you guys because I think it was crazy how things kind of turn out, you know? But yeah, anyways, let's get on to the specs about this hair in my head. Okay, so this is a Brazilian straight wig. The density is 180. It is in the inches 22, and it is a 360 lace front. So it's lace all around the wig, so you can put it in a ponytail if you want to. But yeah, this hair is 22 inches, and y'all know I'm tall as hell, so for a wig to be this long on me and it's 22 inches is bomb. Because I know a lot of companies will tell you, oh yeah, this is 22 inches, whole time it's coming up to here. But no, y'all, this hair is the real freaking deal. Look how long this hair comes to on me. What waist length, are you kidding? And this is 22 inches and I'm a giant. They are true to their lengths. They're not gonna try to play you. They're gonna give you what you buy. This honestly looks longer than 22, honestly, but if not, then, but maybe this is 22 and other companies just been playing me for years. I don't know. But yeah, this is some bomb hair. The density is 180, and y'all, this hair is thick. Like, look. Let me show y'all. Look how thick this hair is, y'all. Thick from the top to the bottom. The hair is bomb. And thick from the tips to the ends. So this hair does not have a lot of shedding at all. Like, hold on, y'all. Let me find a comb, because I want to show y'all, like, I comb this hair so much and it does not shed at all. Like, I mean a little bit, but that's because this hair is gonna shed, but it does not shed crazy. So let me show y'all. I found a brush. Let me show y'all how bomb this hair is. I'm about to just comb it out. Look at that. There's literally no hair in this brush at all. And if there is, it's because it's from another day. Like, this hair did not just shed at all when I just brushed this hair. That's how bomb this hair is, y'all. Like, it's thick, it is long, like, it's thick, it's true to length, it does not shed, and it looks like some real, like, if you install this hair right, it looks like it is coming out your head. Like, this do not look like no synthetic hair. This is some bomb hair. Like, this is the hair in its natural state without being like flat iron or anything, because I really didn't want to just flat iron the hair and come on here. I wanted to show y'all the hair in its true state, and it is so bomb, y'all. Like, look. If your hair don't move like that, then get some new hair. Y'all need to get your hair from DYHAIR777. This hair had no smell when I got it out of the package, because I know some hair do be having a smell, like a nasty smell when it comes from AliExpress, but or like any hair company in general just be smelling weird. But this hair smelled bomb. The person that I was in contact with when I was getting this hair delivered to me responded quickly. The hair came to me super quick. They were very, very, very nice. Like, customer service is on top. And it's 100% virgin Brazilian goodness. Like, do y'all see this hair right now? Look. I don't even know if y'all can see. If you turn around and you can see, hold on, y'all probably can't even hear me. But if you turn around and put all your hair to the back and you can see through your hair, you need some new bundles. You need some more bundles. Okay, this hair is thick. You guys don't like thick hair and you kind of want a more like, I don't know, natural thin look. You can get the 130 density because they do have 130 density. But I'm the type of girl, like, I like some thick, full hair on my head. Like, I want it to look like I just got 7 bundles installed. Like I got money or something. Like, I want thick hair. So that's what I like. So this is the 180 density, but if you don't like it, you can they always have other options on the website that you guys can look for, like 130 density. So yeah, it's just really up to you. You can get shorter lengths, you can get anything. They also have curly hair, they have full lace wigs, y'all. They have really everything that you would need in a wig company. So this is definitely a brand that I would recommend to anybody that's asking me, because I get asked all the time, where should I buy hair from? Where do you get your hair from? Where's a good straight hair company? Because y'all already know I got my curly hair company, because I did a review on them that was not sponsored like a month ago. But this is gonna be my brand. This is gonna be my new straight hair company, because this is some bomb hair, y'all, like, for real. And y'all already know I ordered from them years ago, not sponsored, without them even knowing that I was a YouTuber. So, and the hair was still bomb then. So, like, you know this is a trustworthy company. You should buy from them. Like, I don't know what else y'all want me to tell you. Like, buy from this company. But y'all know me, I would never sit here and lie to y'all about a company just because I'm sponsored or just because for some coin. No, if the hair wasn't good, I would let y'all know. If I didn't like anything about it, I would let y'all know. Yeah, literally I can't find nothing I don't like about this hair. I'm sitting here trying to think of some pros and cons, but the hair is good. And y'all already know I got you guys the hookup on some money off on this hair. Make sure you use RAE10 at when you guys check out. Just type in RAE10 and then you get $10 off on me, because I love you guys so much and I'm always looking out for my Kennedy gang. Here is the construction of the cap. As you can see, we do have that 360 lace all around. Y'all, don't look at my groceries in the back. But we do have the 360 parting all around. We do have these tracks laid perfectly and flawlessly. We have how many combs? 4 combs in this wig, so this hoe not going nowhere. And then we do have some straps as well to make sure it's secured on your head. And yeah, so that is the construction of the cap. Came in this really beautiful packaging in a black mesh baggie in this little cute bag. And it also came with these lashes. Oh, sorry y'all. It comes with these beautiful lashes that I will be wearing, because they're honestly not that bad. Like, you know when you get some lashes with companies and you're like, girl, I would never wear that? No, these are some good lashes, I swear. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope y'all buy this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
As you see, I'm a tall thug, yes, I'm a G-rap. If you want safe sex, baby, use the knee pad. Sticky with the sticky icky, baby, give me kitty. Killer, West Side, nigga. Boy, you like 98 degrees and I'm 300, nigga, keep your feet running. I keep when I eat these beats, but that boy gets hot. Don't run up in my lane, I don't want you in my lane, you a lane, get swept. Cause great scenes might be great, but I love your bloopers. And perfects for the urgent, baby, I want forever. And Caroline, don't you see that? I want you to be mine. Cause great scenes